How to sign up on Optimus. For those who are just getting started, I will take us through how we can get to sign up on Optimus to gain access to use it to buy your shares and build your portfolio as a starter, as a fresher, as a newcomer, as a newbie. So let's dive in. All you need to do first of all is go to Play Store and type Optimus. You can see Optimus. This is the app. Here you go to Play Store, type it and install it on your phone. That is what you will be using. That is your money bank. So what we need to do next is to click on the app and it will load up this interface for you. So as a starter, you are just getting started. For the first time, you will need to sign up. You are not logging in. You click on I am new, sign me up, and once you click on sign up, it will redirect you to this interface where you start your registration. Sign up simply means register me. I want to register. I am new. I want to open an account and register with you. So what you'll be needing is a email, a phone number, and a password. Then when we talk of password, to create your account, your password must be unique. So when we get there, I'll explain about it. So here you input your email. Yeah. So here where you see me that I have green, white, green, that is the flag of my country. I am from Nigeria. I am a Nigerian, and the code for Nigerian numbers are +234. That is why you see it here. But if yours is not showing the country you are from, just click on the arrow down. There is an arrow here. Click on that arrow. It will take you down to this place where you will need to pick the right country that you belong to. So any country you pick, for example, let me pick Burkina Faso. You are going to see that it will change in that place that I was having Nigeria. You see it has changed to +226 instead of +234. It has changed to +266 and the logo of Burkina Faso. So that is for those who are not in Nigeria that also want to sign up using Optimus. So that is where you change your country to. Because I am in Nigeria, I will pick Nigeria and input my number. Then, since these three numbers are already there, you start with your second phone number. Once you click your second, input your second phone number. Once it's complete, it will show you this. Don't put the first zero of your number. That is what you don't put there. Then you put the other numbers and make sure the number you are putting is the correct number. Then now the password. This is where everything lies. Your password should be a unique number, a unique word. A unique word in the sense that for the purpose of this video, let me use lecture as the password. You can see lecture. And here it says what? Password must be at least 8 characters. 8 character in the sense that the smallest password you can use should be up to 8 digits. So that is what it means. Either a letter, both the letter, the special character, and your number should be 8, the smallest. Then it can be more than 8 for those of us that has long name, like Oluwani, Femi, Dara, Simi, whatsoever. Those long names you can use it, but it must be that the smallest is 8. Now there should be no space in between your password. Password must have upper case letter, which is your first letter should be capital letter. Then have lowercase letter. Other letters that follow should all be smaller letters. It should have a number. Yes, our number from your number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Those number you pick one and add it in your password. Then it should also has a special character like at or hash and so on. If you have watched to this extent and you are yet to like this video, what are you waiting for? Kindly like the video, drop your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to share with family and friends who you know that they also need this kind of knowledge to improve their source of income. Let's continue. Now you can see I already have lecture here. If I had arts, this is the special character we are talking of, either this arts, this ash, or you might use naira depending on you, whatsoever you want to use. Arts 57, you can see this is the number, and I can also use one number, but if a number is not included, it will tell me that it's not correct, so I need to add a number to it. Once I add a number, feel free to use my referral code. I will drop it in the description with my referral link. So feel free to use it. It's not a must, but as a support to the channel. So this referral code, you must click on it to paste the referral code. If you did not click on it, it will not automatically pick it if you don't click the link before you get started. I hope we understand. So once you input the referral code, it will ask you to continue. So click on that referral spot that you have referral code and click on create. Click on create account. It will take you to where you will need to input your PIN. Just go to the email you have inputted. The 6-digit PIN will be sent to that email, where you need to click on it. Then it will take you straight down to this place. Then you click on create PIN for you to create your 4-digit PIN that you want to make use of. 4-digit PIN is the next thing. Then you will see PIN created successfully. So you have successfully created your PIN and your account like this. Next is to use biometric for subsequent login. That is depending on the phone you are using. So it will enroll you for that on the app. Just give it time to load up. So here we are. We just open a new account on the Optimus App. Now the next thing for you to know is, you can see here we have home, we have portfolio, we have wallet, and we have more. So once you arrive at this interface, you've successfully registered, you've signed up. So all you need to do is come to this upper part here where you have 0 at your left hand side. You are going to have this place where you will need to input your details, your first name, your last name, your username that you want to be on the app. And where you are inputting all of these things, make sure you use your correct name. Make sure you use the name that you have on your NIN, on your driver's license, the name on your passport for verification, because you see that is it. They are going to verify it and make sure you are inputting the right details. This is not a website that you can lie to. If you lie at the end, they try to do your verification and it's not going, then it means you won't be able to gain access to have accounts with them. So what that means in a nutshell is that use your real name. Yes, use the names you have on your national identity cards that you can use, because we are going to upload that. So that is that about that interface. So if you come right here, you will see portfolio, you are going to see wallet, you are going to see more. So here are all and other things that you need to know about signing in on Optimus App as a starter. As time goes on, I will explain further in the next video. But for now, if you have watched to this extent, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, drop your comments in the comment section. I will give answer to each of your comments. And also, if you would love to join the community of shareholders, feel free to message me using the link in the description box to connect with me, and I will also be dropping more other videos related to how you can start and get your portfolio on Optimus. Thank you and bye for now.